Morning time, my people. Morning time, morning time, morning time. It's me. It's me, my people. Sinai TV station. See it? I know me always make you know what I want. Me have some car fresheners, my people, as you can see them here. See it? So no come on down for the fresheners. See it? Two bills you can get one for 150. My people. Me have smoothie. $1,000 stain wrap, my people. Come on down to Prophet Sinai. Sale out right now, my people. Me have grey and blue, grey and black, red and blue. And me have Nissan as well. See? Me have sun visors, my people. Me have gold and me have silvers. See? So come on down to Sinai, HQ, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. See? Wiper blades, my people. Zoom in the camera so you can see and Shamais. See? Rugs. Me have rugs to my people. Me have rugs to them here. So come on down to Sinai HQ. Adjustable funnels like whoa. Adjustable funnels like whoa. That me I tell you. Look for yourself, my people. Not seeing which no way me for telling you no lie. See it? I'm HQ. Me I'm HQ. See it? Me have puffy, my people. See it? Me have royal color, puffy stain wrap. Red and black. Puffy stain wrap, my people, red and black. See it? Me have leathers. Leather stain wrap, my people. 15 bills you can get it for 12 discount price. See it? And I have the fuzzies. The fuzzy stain wraps them as well. Me have grey, me have black, me have pink and black. Me have maroon red leaf, my people. So come on down. Come on down at Prophet Sinai. 17 bills to them, my people. Me can give you for 15 bills when you come. So me make you know the price. Directly what I go on right at Sinai TV station. I'm getting some waters as well for them people. Brand new igloos. Water. See? I'm going to see what I go on my people from my TV station. Me have water my people. See? Natural spring water. Clean spring water me have for them people. See? From Sinai Mountain. Well, you know me do my thing already. Me have red, green and gold tassels for one of my people 5 bills. Seeing 3 bills gold seal. Me have grey and black for match on the steering. Seeing, come on down to Prophet Sinai, my people. See them there. See them there, my people. Come on down to Prophet Sinai. Live. Right now. Downtown Kingston, Jamaica. I'm at me display the thing them for the people. So no car fresheners them here. So no come on down. Full charge. Or half charge. So see them people come on down, steering like whoa. I mean I steering wrap for the driver they want to no money when you can't come down here. I have 7 bills steering wrap, come on down. See? Me even have bicycle tires. Me even have bicycle tires, my people. No look, clear my people. I don't lie me I tell. Me even have bicycle tires down here. Mama, me a mask, come up. Me a mask the people who want my face mask going to the government building them the people. Face mask down there, them face masks are run the corona. See you can come on down. Come on. Yeah, morning time Empress. As you can see the rider right by the waving gallery. See poor somebody a come. And see Tasla me. I'm there Harbour Street, my people. Harbour Street, Sinai TV station, so no lie me I tell. See, me have some ice green and gold now in stock. 5 bills. 2 bills see small, 150 wholesale. See 5 bills see the big red, green and gold with black in it. 3 bills wholesale. Me have 3 bills Jamaica color to my people. See it here. Zoom in on the camera that's so you can see it properly. See it? So no lie me I tell. Me have the fluffy diva, Miss Kitty. And that me I tell you, and we have curvy diva as well. So no lie me I tell. Zoom in the camera because so I want. See it? Me have Clarendon College, my people. Me have Tivoli School. Me have George's school color. Me have 40 school color with royal color in there. Royal purple. Bright and the light one, my people. So you can come on down. More ice green and gold in store. Me have champagne color, my people. Kuya me have champagne. Sort of color. And small Jamaica color, my people. Look. So no joke thing I go on Sinai TV station, downtown Kingston, Jamaica. Beautiful Jamaica. As me for telling you, I'm there in front the Rubis gas station, see the Rubis gas station, my people. Bank of Jamaica, Conference Center, Scotia Center, the Jamaica Twin Tower, my people. So no lie me I tell down here. I see the newly Burger King was just up over there so. One ton load of girl come over there. I don't know what's so special about over there. As you can see the Whopper sign on top of the building. Look my people. So I go late, make the whole of them come down. Watch a JUTC jumbo jet with people fastening seatbelt for people. See the sun line me I tell. Sinai TV station. Close that one here. See it. I'm close that one for you people as me for telling you. See, come on down a Sinai TV HQ my people. We are water, me are getting some juice, you know. Close up on my sign. Morning Empress.